Alright, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the Hollyland Lark M2 microphones. So I got these microphones because I found that my audio is a little lacking and we need to bring it up to the next notch, because I think that's where we are now. It didn't take very long, but I will still keep my other microphones. But I think this is going to be a nice upgrade to my current kit. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Stickers! Everybody likes stickers. Now this unit already has a heavy feel to it. Let's see what this is. So this is going to be my iPhone setup. This will be under port. Well, that's nice. Nice little bag for the OS. Let's see what's in this little cute bag here. More bags. Perfect. So I got the little jack for that new Sony ZV that I just received. These are the strong magnets for the backer. Oh yeah, these are nice little clips, lanyards. Again, everything is magnetic on these, which is perfect. I don't know what that is. And these are just the shields. And don't know what all those do. Only thing is, it doesn't seem to come with a wall charger. So just right there and there. So I'll hook this to my USB. We will charge. Oh, looks like there is some charge in this. No covers. Alright, I guess that means that's charging. Guess that one's charging. Guess that's charging. Channel 1, channel 2. How do you know which one's channel 1 and which one's channel 2? Well, let's do this. Let's try an experiment and see how much charge this actually has. So right now I'm going to unplug. And so you could charge too while you're still plugging in. I'm going to unplug this microphone. Testing, 1, 2. Well, that's kind of neat. Alright, pause this and see if this actually recorded. I think this successfully worked. I think this is a success. So this does work. I think I will probably be using this for the lanyard more than anything. It's nice this is adjustable there. Get it over my big fat head, and there we go. So it's not a terrible setup. Now I can walk by the fan, walk by the machines, cinch it up. And then this is what we've got. Hopefully you can't hear that really loud car that's going by. But it's got a little green button here. I'm guessing that is noise cancellation. And if I hit that, now the noise cancellation is off. Now I do have a fan running because it is hot and I just need that air circulation. So hopefully when I click this button and it goes green, hopefully that calms that noise or background noise down. Because I really don't want to have to turn off my fan every time that I want to record. So this is the Hollyland Mark. What is it? Let's get this box here. I know what it is. Hold on. It's the Lark M2. I knew it was something with an M. That's it. Perfect.